Hi, Matt Bernson here from Low Cost Hustle. Your company logo is branding. Branding is the reputation that precedes you. Every time a repeat customer sees your logo, it puts a feeling in their mind about their experience with your company. A good logo is simple. There is one theme going on. It is easy to read. The colors and shapes are easy on the eyes. So this is my experience with the Netman Corp. I paid $150 for this logo. I think it's a great logo for my sports card company, and it's pretty awesome. My good friend referred me to this company. They made my friend a real kick-ass logo, and I figured, why not give them a shot? I didn't know Fiverr existed yet, and I thought $150 for a logo was the going rate for a professional logo. Someone from the company emailed me within 24 hours to inquire about my request to have a logo designed for my company. 3 business days later, they gave me 6 logo concepts. 3 and 6 were the best options and had the looks of a great logo. Something was missing though. In the 3rd, the writing was too small, and in the 6th, the symbol didn't look great. I gave the Netmen Corp those notes, and 2 business days later, they gave me these concept logos. These are all pretty much great looking logos, and I was very impressed with the job they did. I'd have a logo that I could last a lifetime. I held a vote with all my customers, offering them $5 off their next order. Within 24 hours, I had over 75 votes, and there was an overwhelming response for 12 and 10. Those 2 logos are basically interchangeable, so I opted for both of them. I am the proud 100% owner of this beautifully done logo. If I ever want to make a change or a small adjustment, the Netman Corp gave me all the proper files for a design change to be made. The Netman Corp customer service is great, and they fulfilled everything I wanted for $150. I've had some great logo designs done, and I've had some terrible logo designs done. Leave a comment below and tell me about your good and bad logo design experiences. Upload examples, and let's all have a good laugh about the bad ones. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, and to learn more tips and tricks, subscribe to the email newsletter.